Inefficient delivery routes can cost your courier business time and money. Have you ever considered how haphazard deliveries can lead to troublesome delays, skyrocketing costs, and plummeting customer satisfaction? Without a solid plan, your drivers zigzag across the city, wasting valuable time and fuel. This isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's about weaving a web of efficiency that optimizes every journey, every delivery. The good news is, technology is here to help us address this problem. Technology has given us a plethora of apps and websites designed to streamline route planning. Let's take a moment to explore a few of these digital allies. First up, we have Route XL, a web-based route planner that's perfect for multiple stops. It uses advanced algorithms to determine the quickest route, helping you deliver more in less time. Next on the list is Circuit Route Planner. This handy app not only calculates the fastest route, but it also factors in priority deliveries, ensuring your most urgent packages reach their destination on time. And of course, we can't forget the ever-reliable Google Maps. It's not just a tool to get from point A to B. Google Maps provides real-time traffic updates, helping you avoid delays and ensuring a smoother ride. These tools, powered by algorithms and real-time data, are designed to make life easier for those in the courier transportation business. By using these tools, you can significantly cut down on travel time and fuel costs. Now that you're aware of these tools, it's time to put them into action. Let's dive into how to use these apps and websites for route planning. For instance, take Route 4Me. It's as simple as inputting your stops and letting the software do the rest. It calculates the most efficient route, saving you time and fuel. Similarly, Circuit Route Planner allows you to add multiple stops and it optimizes the route in the most time-efficient way. But it's not just about saving time. These tools also help in reducing fuel consumption. Waze, for example, provides real-time traffic updates, allowing you to avoid traffic jams and reduce idle time. Now let's talk benefits. Imagine cutting your delivery time by even 10%. That means you can deliver more packages in the same amount of time. Plus, less time on the road means less wear and tear on your vehicles, reducing maintenance costs. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each business has unique needs, so play around with the settings and features. Experiment with different route options. Find what works best for your business. And don't forget the bigger picture. These aren't just tools for efficiency, they are tools for growth. Remember, every minute saved on the road translates to more packages delivered, happier customers, and a healthier bottom line for your business.